is Divesh Mahil. Today's date is 23rd April 2022. Today's video topic is IOC and DI. Um, Original video. First one is IOC in Spring. IOC container Spring framework can be considered as a collection of sub frameworks, also referred to layers such as Spring AOP, Spring ORM, Spring Web Flow, and Spring Web MVC. We can use any of this module separately while constructing a web application. The module may also be grouped together to provide better functionality in the web application. Prior to penetrating down to Spring to container Spring provides two types of containers, namely as a Bean Factory container and application context container. Feature of Spring framework such as IOC, AOP, and transaction management make it unique among list of frameworks. First one, now IOC container is the core of Spring framework. It creates objects, configures and assembles their dependency, manages their entire life cycle. The container uses dependency injection to manage components that make application. It gets information about the object from a configuration file XML or Java code or Java annotations. These objects are called beans. Since controlling of Java objects and their life cycle is not done by developers, hence name inversion of control. Spring IOC generally directly refers to a core container that use DI or DC pattern to implicitly provide object. Another is Spring dependency injection. Dependency injection is a main functionality provided by Spring IOC. The Spring core module is responsible for injecting dependencies through either constructor or a setter method. The design principle of inversion of control emphasizes keeping Java classes independent of each other and container frees them from object creation and maintenance. These classes managed by Spring must adhere to the standard definition of Java Bean. Dependency injection in Spring is also ensure loose coupling between the classes. There are two types of Spring dependency injection. First one is the setter dependency and constructor dependency. Setter dependency injection is simpler of two dependency injection method. In dependency injection will be injected with the help of setter and getter methods. Now to set dependency injection as a setter injection in the bean, it is done through bean configuration. For this property to set with setter injection is declared under property tag in bean config file. Another is constructor dependency injection. In constructor dependency injection, dependency injection will be injected with help of constructor. Now to set dependency injection as constructor dependency injection in Bean, it is done through the Bean configuration file. For this property to be set with the CDI is declared under constructor argument tag in a Bean configuration file. Now difference between this IOC inversion of control and Spring dependency injection. First one, the Spring IOC container is the core of Spring framework. It creates object, configures and assembles their dependencies, manages their entire life cycle. In Spring dependency injection is a way to inject dependency of a framework component by constructor injection and setter injection. Another difference is Spring helps in creating object, managing object and configuration etc. because of inversion of control. And Spring framework helps in creation of a loosely coupled application because of dependency injection. Thank you.